It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, you are going to learn step by step on how to receive mobile money payment using Flutterwave, step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Flutterwave online payment gateway, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to receive mobile money payment using Flutterwave, step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. Alright, welcome back, friends. So let's see how to receive mobile money payment using Flutterwave platform. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go to your address bar, having opened up your browser, then you have to type in Flutterwave. So you can see the URL right here, flutterwave.com/ng. So it takes you to a page like this. Okay, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to sign in right here. Click on sign in. Then right here you have to enter your login detail, such as your email address and your password. Then you enter your password. Then click on login. Then once you are sending the OTP, next thing you want to do is to make sure you enter the OTP to continue with your login. Then having entered the OTP, click on continue. Alright, so you'll be taken straight into the new dashboard like this. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here and make sure you look for switch to old dashboard like here. So click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Then select the reason why you want to switch to old dashboard. Just click on order and then tell them the reason why. So I prefer old fashion. Then come down below here, click on switch to old dashboard. Alright, so you will be logging out from the page. So next thing you want to do is to re-enter your login information, such as your email address and your password. Then click on login. Then enter the OTP. Then click on continue. Then the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and come down right here. Make sure you click on continue to old. Then you'll be taken to the hold page of Flutterwave like this. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on your profile picture right here, then come down below right here, make sure you click on settings, then take you right here. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to account settings. So from account setting, you have to scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to enable mobile money. Click on that. Then you have to come here, click on here and make sure you enable mobile money Ghana, enable mobile money for Uganda, enable mobile money for Zambia. So you can scroll down and see all other African countries that you can use to receive mobile money from Rwanda, enable mobile money from Francophone, enable mobile money from Tanzania, enable mobile money from Kenya, and enable mobile money from Malawi. So we can scroll down and see. Then after you are done with everything, to make sure you come here, make sure you click on done. It's as simple as that. So with this, you should be able to receive mobile money from countries like Uganda, Zambia, Rwanda, Francophone, Tanzania, Kenya, and also Ghana. So in future, Flutterwave might add more African countries. But as at the time of making video, these are the African countries that you can use to receive mobile money payment from them straight into your Flutterwave dashboard. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about online payment gateway like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.